Welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 6 population. The name of our lesson number 6 population. In last video we completed some points. Population is an important resource of any country. The qualitative aspects of population are important for nation's economic and social progress. Let's study the population of Brazil and India. In last video we completed some points. India distribution of population, figure 6.1a and figure 6.1b, India population density. In that video also completed the Brazil, figure 6.2a and 6.2b, population distribution in Brazil and population density in Brazil. Let us start. The next point is population composition. Here our next point is population composition. Ratio. Figure 6.3, here the two graph of sex ratio. What does this graph show? Here student, what does this graph show? This graph show the sex ratio of Brazil and India. Here two graphs here of sex ratio, there Brazil and India. First number sex ratio of Brazil and second India. What is sex ratio? Sex ratio means the number of female per 1000 males in region. What is meant by sex ratio? The answer of this sex ratio means the number of females per 1000 males in region. Geographical explanation with reference to both the countries, the characteristic of population are prominently notable. The sex ratio of Brazil has been more than 1000. Considering the sex ratio of Brazil, the number of women have considerably increased than men since 2001. In India, men outnumber women. In India, we see fluctuation in the sex since few decades. In India, we see fluctuations in the sex ratio since few decades. There has been a slight increase in the sex ratio after 1991. Always remember, save girl, teach girl is the need of the hour in our country. Age and sex pyramid. Here also next graph is age and sex pyramid. Figure 6.4, the graph is Brazil and India 2016 per year 2016, age and sex pyramid. This graph looks different. Yes, this graph shows age and sex of population. It is also known as population pyramid. This graph also called as population pyramid. What is its use? What is the use of this graph? Students, here what is the use of this graph? It is used to study the age and sex related aspects of a region's population. What is the use of this graph? It is used to study the age and sex related aspects of a region's population. Here figure 6.4, percentage of population, Brazil and India as per year 2016. Does that mean that we can know the number of percentage of various age groups of males and females in our country? Yes, of course. This helps us to know the proportion of children, youth and old people in our country. With the help of this graph, we know the proportion of children, youth and old people in our country. In this pyramid, we can see that the number of young people is more in both the countries. In this pyramid, we can see that the number of young people is more in the both countries, but the proportion of children is more in India, while proportion of people in the age group than above 80 years in India is more in Brazil. Considering the age of population, Brazil's population is getting slowly older. Considering the age of population, Brazil's population is getting slowly older. But in India, the situation is different. Age of population, Brazil's population is getting slowly older. But in India, the situation is different. The proportion of youth in India is more. You know, student, India is a young country. Because of the proportion of youth in India is more. This means India is higher working population. Then our next point, try this. This point is reduced in our syllabus for this year. Then population growth rate. Here also next graph, figure 6.5. Growth rate of population Brazil and growth rate of population India. What do this graph show? Here student also two graphs, Brazil and India. What do this graph show? Their graph shows the growth rate of population of Brazil and India. Their graph shows the growth rate of population of Brazil and India. But here the graphs line is going down. Why? In both the graphs, the graph line is going down. But why? Though the lines show the downward trend, it doesn't mean population is decreasing. It shows that the growth is lesser than the previous decade. Does that mean that Brazil's population is decreasing? Yes, student, does that mean that Brazil's population decreasing? No, that this means that the growth is less than looking at the trend. In the near future, Brazil's population may decreases. Figure 6.5, two graphs, growth rate of population Brazil and growth rate of population India, population growth rate here. Then geographical explanation, the rate of growth of population has reduced considerably in Brazil. However, this is not the condition in India. From 2001 to 2011, India's population increased by 18.2 crores. India's population growth rate was higher till 1971. Then this rate stabilized. The rate of population growth is now declining, but the population is still growing. It is observed that in Brazil, the rate of growth is declining and Brazil population may not increase in the next 2 decades. Here completed our some graphs. 6.5 population growth rate, then our percentage of population, age and sex pyramid, then population composition, sex ratio, figure 6.3. Here completed these points.